Hi Hotwheelers, it's Craig and Dion here, Hotwheels Boys. We're back again with some more racing action, and yep, we're going to go through the cars as we normally do. So I'll just turn the video around. Here we go guys, here are the cars.
We've got the Mercedes-Benz AMG, La Ferrari, the Bugatti Veyron, the Aston Martin Vulcan, the Mazda Fury and the Bugatti Wire going up against our new Ford GT40.
Right, so guys, we'll take the cars to the track and we'll see if the challengers can try and beat the Ford GT. Here we go guys, here's our track. As you have seen it before, we've got the cars back. You may have seen on previous videos there was no cars because yeah, we were trying to sell the house, and which has been sold now. So yes, so Dion, do the honors please, son.
Hotwheels racers, hit your lane.
Hit your lanes, racers. Right, let's go. First race, we've got the Mercedes-Benz in lane 2 and the Ford in lane 5. Racers,
Ready. On the marks, get set, go.
Winner, lane 5.
The Ford GT40 takes the win.
here we go guys. This is race 2. Racers, ready?
On the marks, get set, go.
Winner, lane 2.
The Ford GT40 takes the win.
Here we go guys, we are on race 3 and the Ford has won both the first 2 races. Now it's up against the Bugatti. So racers, ready?
On the marks, get set, go.
Winner, lane 5.
The Ford GT40 takes the win.
Here we go guys, this is race 4 and the GT has beaten all 3 cars so far. Now it's up against the Vulcan. So yep, racers ready, let's see what happens.
On the marks, get set, go.
Winner, lane 2.
The Ford GT40 takes the win.
Right guys, it's race 5 and yep, the Ford GT is super fast. Now it's up against the Mazda Fury, so let's see. Race 5, racers ready?
On the marks, get set, go.
Winner, lane 5.
Wow.
The Ford GT40 takes the win easily.
Here we go guys, it's the final race and the Ford GT, it's won all 5 so far, so it's only left up to the Bugatti to see if it can at least win one for the supercars. So yeah, racers ready?
On the marks, get set, go.
Winner, lane 2.
The Ford GT40 takes the win.
Here we go guys, thanks for watching our video. The race is over and yep, the Ford GT totally dominated these 6 supercars. They were totally beaten. So yeah,
So And I want to say thanks for watching too, and please subscribe to our channel.
Yep. Thank you guys. Thanks. And yeah, as Dion said, please subscribe to our channel, and we'll be posting more racing videos coming very soon.